In our last video, we discussed how to find a median under discrete series. Here, we explain how to find a median under continuous series. Under continuous series, median is calculated through two different steps. In the first step, we have to find out the median class. In order to find a median class, we use the formula size of n by 2th item. After finding median class by using this formula, to find the median from the median class, we have to use the next step or the next formula, which is median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into C. So in the first step, by using this formula, we find out the median class, and in the next step, we find the median from the median class by using the second formula. Here, what are the letters denote? N is equal to total of frequency. This L1 is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. N by 2 is calculated by the first formula. CF means cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency just above the median class. F indicates frequency of the median class. C is equal to class difference. I explain all these things at the time of solving the question. So now write down this formula and keep it with yourself during the further explanation. Okay. Now I explain this with the help of a question. Here's the question. Find out median from the following distribution. Two groups of data are available in your question. One is marks, another number of students. Under marks, different groups or different classes are given. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 40, 40 50, 50 60, 60 70, 70 80 and 80 90. Then 90 100. So different groups are here. Each group is called a class. Okay, and the number of students. It means that 8 students scored marks in between 0 and 10. The data is given related to the marks. Okay, so 8 students scored marks in between 0 to 10. Similarly, 35 students scored marks in between 60 and 70. So on the basis of marks scored by the number of students, they are classified into different groups or different classes. Okay. This first group of data, these marks should be considered as X variables. And the number of students, it should be considered as frequency. So this is the X variable and this is the frequency. I rewrite this in the form of X and frequency here. Look at here. X variables are here. 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20 and so on. And given frequency also here. Frequency is denoted by the letter F. X variables are here and the frequency is denoted by F. Okay. So now we apply the first step to find out the median. What's the formula to find a median class? Median class is equal to size of n by 2th item. N means total of frequency. Here F column, frequency column is here. Just take the total of this frequency column, then you will get 225, which is the value of n. Now we apply this value in this formula. Size of n by 2th item means size of 225 divided by 2th item. 225 by 2 gives 112.5, isn't it? So size of 112.5th item. That is the value of this formula. Now, to find the 112.5th item, we have to construct one more column, which is cumulative frequency column. The CF indicates cumulative frequency column. I explain how to find the cumulative frequency. The first frequency should be the first cumulative frequency. This 8 is the first frequency and it is the first cumulative frequency also. Then add the first cumulative frequency with the next frequency. That means 8 plus 12 gives 20. Then add this cumulative frequency with the next frequency 20. So 20 plus 20, 40. Then again this 40 plus the next frequency 25, 65. And the 65 plus next frequency 30, 95. 95 plus 50, which is the next frequency 145. 145 plus next frequency 35, 180. 180 plus 27, 207. 207 plus 13, 220. Then 220 plus 5, 225. In this way, we constructed the cumulative frequency column. Okay. Now come to this value, size of 112.5th item. We have to check which cumulative frequency cover this 112.5th item. Come to this cumulative frequency column. 8 cannot cover 112.5th item because it is smaller than this 112.5. Okay, so this 8 cannot cover this. Then come to next 20, 40, 65, 95. All these values cannot cover this 112.5th item because this is higher value than these values. But when you come to this 145, next value, next cumulative frequency 145, definitely this 145 can cover the 112.5th item. Right? So, we have to consider this 145 cumulative frequency and what is the corresponding class of this 145. Corresponding class of 145 is 50-60. So 50-60 is the median class. Okay, so we write like this. 112.5th item lies in the cumulative frequency 145. Isn't it? 112.5th item lies in the cumulative frequency. It can be covered under the cumulative frequency 145. Lies in the cumulative frequency 145. And the corresponding class, that means 145 is here. Its a corresponding class is 50-60. Therefore, its a corresponding class is 50-60. Therefore, median class is equal to 50-60. Okay. Now, we have to find a median from this median class. Okay. Because of the limitation of the length of video, I continue with this in the next video. Okay. I explain how to find a median from the median class in the next video. You can search the next video. by using this keyword. Ignou, MBA, ms08, E8. Okay, you can continue this topic in this video.